What's going on YouTube? Ben here coming at you today with another video, and today I do got some pickups from Supreme. Copped on week 1, which was 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weeks ago online. Picked up 2 things. Not gonna say much because it's all right here. And before I get into anything, I'd like to say welcome back to my channel. Thank you. If whoever decides to watch this video, thank you so much. It really means a lot to me, and hopefully you stick through the whole video. And yeah, so picked up 2 things from Supreme, and let's get into the clip of me opening the package. So now we got the bag, and let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing is got a sticker pack, which is cool. You know, I didn't really like that t-shirt with the beaver on it, but I like the sticker. Sticker's cool. The same with the other one. I can't really see what it is, but cool, not bad. And I was actually really excited when I saw this Supreme Bounty Ball. Super dope. Here, let's open it up actually. Yeah, super dope, really clean, really dope. Very, I can't get over it. It's so dope. I mean, yeah, it's just a Supreme ball, bouncy ball. I already tried it outside, so it works. Alright, so getting into the first tee, I got here the Supreme Still Life tee in ash gray. And honestly, I could have sworn I ordered a white one, but I guess I got the ash gray. So really dope tee. Yeah, I'm gonna open this one up because I'm gonna wear this. Open this one up. And there's nothing really too much about it. Like, I don't really know what's on the graphic, but it just says Supreme up front, ash gray. You know, it's really big for an XL. Got size XL, got the Supreme tag right there. And got the back. I mean, don't got nothing on the back, but still super dope tee. It screams Supreme, but it's kind of subtle, if that makes sense. But overall, really dope tee. I believe these were $36, something like that. So super dope. Really happy with it. And getting into the next one is the Supreme Cutouts tee. So unfortunately, I'm actually gonna sit on this for a while. I don't know if I want to sell it yet, but it's still a dope tee. If I can figure out how to put it on the screen, I'll put it up somewhere around here. I mean, but everybody's seen what they look like. Same thing. I think I paid $36 for these. I mean, which isn't a bad price. So, Cutouts tee, XL. Actually, one thing I did notice that this, the Cutouts tee is 100% cotton. And let me pick this one back up. And this one is 99% cotton and 1% polyester, which I think is kind of cool. But at the same time, no doubt, still a sick tee. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to hold on to this one for a while. I think I'll keep it DS. Hopefully it'll be worth a little bit more in the future, but if not, I could always take it out and rock it. So it's a win-win situation. So, yeah. Yeah, not really much else to say about what I picked up, just because it's pretty self-explanatory. Thank you again for watching. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you like. It really means a lot to me. So thank you, and I'm trying to get back into this, and let's see where it goes from here. Thank you guys.